Hey everyone, it's Miss Carla here from the Palos Heights Public Library. Today is Pizza Day, and pizza is one of my favorite foods, so I thought we'd do a fun program where we make our own pizzas and make silly faces. So I'm going to turn the camera so that you can see what I have. You'll see I have shredded cheese. I chose mozzarella. I have some pepperoni to make my face, and I have some black olives. I have some crust, and I did get two so that we can make two funny faces. And I have some canned pizza sauce. So the first thing, of course, is your pizzas are going to need some sauce. So this is pretty easy. You can just use any kind of crust you like. I bought a prepackaged pizza crust, or you can use pita bread if you want a healthier option. You also can use whatever toppings you would like. I just chose toppings that I like. So if you like green peppers, if you like onions, spinach, feel free to get creative. I'm a little bit more simple on what I like on my pizza. So I just got some pepperoni and I got some black olives, and I still think we can have a lot of fun and make some cool faces. You can get whatever sauce you like. This is just a Prego pizza sauce. If you have any spices at home, feel free to go ahead and add some spices. So I've got my pizza sauce now. Now it needs cheese. And I don't know if I said this, but I chose mozzarella cheese. That's just what I like on my pizza. So this is a great activity you can do with your mom or dad or your brother or sister. And it's tasty and fun. So pizza, like I said, pizza is one of my favorite foods, so I thought I had to celebrate Pizza Day. And the cool thing about this is you can make it however you want. So as much cheese or as little cheese as you'd like. I like a lot of cheese, as you could probably tell. So I like a lot of sauce also. Okay. You also could do another layer of cheese if you have different kinds of cheese. I just got mozzarella for today. All right, so now let's see what kind of face. I'm gonna do my first pizza. And I'm gonna get some pepperonis. I'm gonna make, let's see here. I'm gonna show his eyes. I'm gonna rip some in half and see what I can come up with here. How about some eyebrows? He's got some eyebrows. Ooh, there's a nose. I'm gonna make him a mouth. I'll make him a smiley mouth. I could also give him a mustache. What about some crazy hair? I can give him some crazy hair. And I think he needs some ears. So we're gonna give him some, we're gonna use some black olives for some ears here. I wonder if we could do a bow tie. Let's see if I can make a bow tie. The cool thing about this is you could really do whatever you want with your pizza. I don't know if that looks like a bow tie, but we can pretend. All right. There's my first one. So now I'm going to make my second one. I think I want him to be a little sillier. What if I make an angry? Let's see if I can make him look or scary. What if he has 3 eyes? I don't think there's any rules against it, right? 3 eyes. There's a nose. Let's make him look more surprised. There we go. Here's his eyebrow this time. And this is kind of a fun way to play with your food without playing with your food. well, it is kind of. So this is a fun project to do, like I said, with mom or dad or grandma, grandpa. I think that guy looks very silly, don't you? I'm gonna give him a few more olives. And there you go. That's my second silly pizza face. I hope you've enjoyed this program. Please post pictures on Facebook. I'd love to see the crazy faces that you make and what toppings you use. Thanks for joining me. Bye.